Wanted to try out one of these Diablo bits because we saw how fast that thing went through this block. I want to try it on that. This is what I'm going to use to put up the flagpoles that I have. So let's see how this does real quick, and then let's hang some flagpoles. That was slower. I'm going to try. I don't know how to do that fancy editing that these bigger channels do where you get like timestamps, but I'm going to try. And I'll post a number. But that was clearly, do you agree? Does the camera person agree?
I agree.
So should I use this one or should I use the other one to drill
I'll
holes
use
in
the
the
other
house?
one.
All right, let's go back. Let's go back to the Milwaukee bits. Good Lord.
Problems with your tip?
I know, I've never. Obviously, at least 3 times. What the hell? What the hell? Okay, let's do that again.
Stab yourself in the eye with a
I
glass.
know, right? That's crazy.